Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make part of your image black and white. Now as you can see here guys, on my image I have a clown, right? And this guy here is in color. Now I'm going to make a part of him black and white, and let's say I'm going to keep the head in color, but I'm going to have the rest of that image, let's say, in colored, right? So I'm going to keep the head in colored and leave the bottom part of him in black and white. So what I need is first and foremost two copy of this image. So I'm going to simply click on this image. I'm going to click on the image right here. I'm going to press Control C to copy it, or right click on it and click on copy. And then I'm going to press Control V. And as you can see, it makes a copy of this image. Now, what I need from this image now is to actually remove the background of this image that I have on top, right? So what the first thing I want to do is to simply ensure that it is centered above the one that is behind it, and then I'm going to click on the image and click on edit. Now from here I want to use the remove background, and it's going to remove the background of this person. As you can see here is removed, and it's actually right over it. So as you can see here, it's just two-person here and it fits nicely, right? So the next thing I want to do is to ensure that the image behind it actually as black and white. So I'm going to do the black and white for the image behind. So I'm going to simply move this guy to the side, click the image behind, and then I'm going to simply change the filter here to a black and white that I like. So I'm going to simply scroll down and find something that I really like. So let's say I would like to use this newer. As you can see, the newer is in black and white. Then I'm going to move my image, which is on top, and I'm going to move it to fit right into the center of that image that is behind, right? So as you can see, it fit nicely. Now next thing is that I need to just remove the section that I don't want to have in black and white and keep the colored section. So in this case I need to remove the jacket and keep the head, right? So I'm going to simply remove the jacket, and as you can see, black and white, black and white, black and white, and I will leave it just about there, right? So that's basically it. Now if I click off, you will see that the head is in color, but the rest of it is in black and white. And you can go ahead and you can do this for whichever option you want, right? So if you want to keep the head in black and white, the suit in color, it's really up to you, any option that you want. But in a nutshell, that's basically it, guys. That's how to easily go ahead and make a part of your image in black and white. Very easy and very simple. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple. If you find value in this video, guys, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and see you in the next video, guys.